It's a glorious 26 degrees afternoon here in Suffolk, as indeed yesterday evening was. And I popped up to Grantham, which is about less than 3 hours away, to fetch a gearbox for Amy's Rally MX-5. And on the way home, the radiator let go. I've been sort of aware of just a faint tinge of a smell, but Emma didn't notice it on the way up. I thought it was sulfuric acid, in other words, the battery cooking, but it wasn't the battery, I checked that. But hadn't noticed that clearly there must have been a pinhole in the radiator letting go. Anyway, down the A17, which is the main road on our Norfolk coast here,